Hello. Today we are going to learn a very useful algebraic technique. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to take a product, like the one shown here, and rewrite it as the difference of two squares. Our specific goal for this session is to transform the expression a+2b times 3a+2c into a subtraction of two squared terms. This might look complicated at first, but it relies on a very famous algebraic identity. Let's dive in. To solve this, we need to use a specific formula, known as the AB formula. The formula states that the product of any two numbers, a and b, is equal to the square of their average minus the square of half their difference. In our problem, let's treat the first parentheses, a+2b, as our x, and the second parentheses, 3a+2c, as our y. Using the identity, we can write the product of these two expressions as x plus y over 2 squared minus x minus y over 2 squared. Substituting our original expressions back in, we get this large structure. Notice how we are simply following the template of the identity. This is the crucial first step. Now, let's simplify the terms inside the brackets. We will focus on the numerators first. In the first part, we remove the inner parentheses. Since there is a plus sign between them, the signs of the terms remain the same. In the second part, be very careful. We are subtracting the entire second expression. This means the sign of 3a becomes negative and the sign of positive 2c also becomes negative. Next, let's combine the like terms. In the first numerator, we have a and 3a, which combine to 4a. So the first fraction becomes 4a plus 2b plus 2c, all divided by 2. In the second numerator, a minus 3a gives us negative 2a, so that fraction becomes 2b minus 2a minus 2c, all divided by 2. We are getting closer. Notice how all the terms in the numerators are even. This suggests we can simplify further by factoring out a 2. To finish this off, let's factor out a 2 from every term in the numerators, so we can cancel it with the denominator. In the first bracket, factoring out 2 leaves us with 2 times the quantity 2a plus b plus c. In the second bracket, it leaves us with 2 times the quantity b minus a minus c. Now, we can cancel the 2 in the numerator with the 2 in the denominator for both terms. This leaves us with our final result, the quantity 2a plus b plus c squared minus the quantity b minus a minus c squared. We have successfully expressed the original product as the difference of two squares. To recap, we identified our two expressions, applied the difference of squares identity, simplified the algebra carefully, especially that negative sign, and canceled common factors to reach the final form. Great work! You can now use this method to transform any product into a difference of squares.